Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into the incredible world of motorhomes, and the spotlight is on the brand new Eagle Motorhome 2026, a vehicle that redefines innovation, luxury, and freedom on the open road. Known for pushing the boundaries of design and technology, Eagle has once again raised the bar with a motorhome that blends futuristic styling, cutting-edge features, and unmatched comfort for travelers. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a family seeking the perfect travel companion, the Eagle Motorhome 2026 is designed to be more than just a vehicle. It's a home away from home and a glimpse into the future of recreational travel. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Eagle Motorhome 2026 makes a bold statement. The sleek, aerodynamic body is sculpted with precision to not only look futuristic but also to maximize efficiency on the road. The front end features a commanding grille with integrated LED matrix headlights that provide incredible visibility while giving the vehicle a high-tech, aggressive stance. The body lines are smooth yet powerful, with flush surfaces that reduce drag and enhance fuel economy. The panoramic windshield offers a wide and unobstructed view of the road, ensuring both safety and a breathtaking driving experience. On the sides, you'll notice innovative retractable steps and large slide-out sections that expand the living space when parked. The rear is equally striking, with a streamlined design, dynamic LED taillights, and storage solutions that are both practical and stylish. Overall, the Eagle Motorhome 2026 has the visual appeal of a luxury SUV combined with the utility of a motorhome, making it a true eye-catcher wherever it goes. Step inside, and the innovation becomes even more apparent. The interior is a seamless blend of sophistication, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As you walk into the cabin, you're greeted by an open-plan living area that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The use of premium materials such as soft-touch leather, polished wood finishes, and brushed aluminum creates a warm yet modern atmosphere. Ambient LED lighting is thoughtfully placed throughout the interior, allowing you to customize the mood to your liking. The living space is designed with flexibility in mind. The lounge area features modular seating that can transform into recliners, dining arrangements, or even additional sleeping areas. A large smart television with surround sound is integrated into the wall, turning the motorhome into a mobile entertainment hub. The kitchen is another highlight, fitted with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. Storage is cleverly optimized with hidden compartments and sliding shelves, ensuring you never feel cluttered even on long journeys. The bedroom is designed as a sanctuary, with a full-size bed that offers premium memory foam mattresses, climate control, and even a panoramic sunroof that lets you sleep under the stars. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, featuring a rainfall shower, modern sink, and eco-friendly water systems that balance luxury with sustainability. Eagle has even integrated smart home technology throughout the motorhome, meaning you can control lighting, temperature, and security with just a voice command or through a central touchscreen panel. Performance is where the Eagle Motorhome 2026 truly sets itself apart from the competition. Underneath its luxurious body lies a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain. Eagle has combined a robust turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor system, giving you the flexibility of extended range and impressive fuel economy. For eco-conscious travelers, this innovation ensures you can go farther with fewer stops and with less environmental impact. The motorhome also comes with regenerative braking technology, solar panels on the roof for auxiliary charging, and a high-capacity battery system that allows you to run appliances off-grid with ease. Handling has been refined thanks to adaptive air suspension and all-wheel drive, making the Eagle Motorhome capable of navigating highways smoothly while also handling rugged terrains when adventure calls. Safety and technology are at the core of this new motorhome. The Eagle Motorhome 2026 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Multiple cameras provide a full 360-degree view of the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering effortless despite its size. Additionally, the chassis has been reinforced for better crash protection, while multiple airbags are strategically placed throughout the cabin to keep passengers safe. When it comes to price, the Eagle Motorhome 2026 positions itself as a premium offering in the luxury motorhome market. Prices are expected to start around $280,000 for the base model, with higher trims featuring additional slide-outs, luxury packages, and advanced solar systems pushing the cost closer to $350,000. While this may seem like a steep investment, it's important to consider what the Eagle Motorhome delivers. This is not just a recreational vehicle. It's a complete mobile lifestyle solution that combines the comfort of a high-end home with the freedom to travel wherever the road takes you. For families, adventurers, and luxury travelers, the investment pays off in the form of unforgettable experiences and unmatched convenience. In conclusion, the Eagle Motorhome 2026 is a true innovation in the world of recreational vehicles. It combines futuristic exterior styling with a luxurious and flexible interior,